Hello everyone. Today I got another lawn mower, which is 4-stroke lawn mower, Toro. As you can see, that's 22-inch, and it's got a self-propelled system. I'm working on it. Now what I'm doing is, the wheels are not very good. I think something stuck inside. They're not freely moving. Maybe it's got a rust on it. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. First I start with, before you do anything, I'll just let you know, check the spark plug and everything's out. So just in case, safety first. What I do, I put something underneath. Put something underneath. Something underneath. That'll do. What I got is number 13. As you can see, it's got a dirt, it's got a rust. I got other video as well, which I'm gonna show you slowly. Let's have a look. Take it off. Alright. This part belongs here. Goes here. This one's got a crank. It's attached to here. It's got rust. I think inside is very dirty. Something inside, you can see. It's dirty inside. So let's give it a good clean and then put it back on.